Seneta wa Meru Mithikari Nturi nombete kwethira agikinya kiri mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru kwithira akiariria manto mwanya mwanya jaigiwiti na mbere bo thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru. Nturi ambiririe na kwethira akionania mainya jaria katiba yombete kwethira ikimunenkera jagwitira Meru ngugi bara bombere kwethira bakimuringira kura na aria nkurukire Nturi ombete kwethira akiuria MCA ba kaunti ya Meru kwethira bakirungama na maguru jao kuthetera Meru.
As you are saying, my loyalty is the people of Meru. And my fidelity is the Constitution of 10. And as the person mandated to oversight the resources allocated to Meru County on the national platform, I endeavor to be objective in discharging my duties, and part of my objectivity is to oversight the county government based on evidence. And for avoidance of doubt, His Excellency the Governor, the entire county executive of Meru, I would work in terms with the Senator, that is myself.
Imubebirare Nturi ombete kwethira akimurekania amwe na ripoti ya Auditor General yombete kwethira akionania mbechire chombete kwethira igitumika kiri thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru wandikani bwa mwiriga jumwa na manto jaigie kuweja na kontrakti kulingana na Nturi chitomba kwethira ikinenkerwa antu bawondire gwiterwa ngugi iji na kuria MCA bombe kwethira bakiariria ripoti iji nikenda bakomba kwethira bagita antu bara bombete kwethira bagita ngugi iji gutambecha cia Meru bethire bakiurwa biuria nikenda bakomba ne gwitetera.
A personal relationship with the governor and the county executive has not, cannot, and will not compromise my oversight. The auditor's report paints a gloomy picture of the state of our county. It raises valid concerns and supports the weighty allegations with evidence. As at 1st of March 2019, about 6 billion Kenya shillings and be released from the county and be released to the county government of Meru, with by the Comptroller of Budgets reports to senators at the end of every month. This report raises the following, the auditor's report, among others, raises the following concerns. 1. The irregular payments of 1 million shillings to the Director of Medical Services for attending a training in Yonsei University Health System in South Korea, whereas the admission letter from the university stated that living expenses could be taken for by the university. Irregular transfer of funds to Rural Electrification Authority, operation of 21 bank accounts with 223,546,200 contrary to Public Finance Management Act or County Government and the County Government Regulations 2015, Section 92(1)(b), which requires that all county government bank accounts shall be operated at the Central Bank of Kenya. Organization of employment at the Meru County Government, where out of the 4,584 employees, 4,032, which transformed to 88% of the workforce, was from the dominant ethnic community in the county contrary to Section 2 of the National Cohesion and Integration Act.
Nturi augite ngavana wa Meru Kirito Murungi na ije ngugi cia seneta augite we kinya kethira ni muchore ngavana akomba kwethira agitithia ngugi yawe ya oversight na kuregana ati na ndona muntu no kiria kuthithia ni ngugi ria katiba ya kumwitikiria kiriro iwe kure gutegera mutumiri bwa mbeca cia Meru no kuona jeka untu bubumba gutuma ngwataniro yaku na ngavana yakethira kithuka.
Senator ngavana na kumenya ngwe senator ni riku no tunari senator. Right? So na ijebo ya ko no omba kuria kwetha kuona amba kwetha kuona ya andu erio no ntu na ije na inya tukithithia thirikari ria tuhambira cia itwaiye what we are supposed to do. So I have no apologies when I'm doing what I'm supposed to do ke katiba na ke sheria. Employment then county now out of 4,534 employees, 4,088 ibo one dominant ethnic sub-community. So kuna pending bills itere tiata itiri na pending bill ikihakwethire itiri
na ngweye yani it means ni isi Australia economy emeru nonto mbesi ile itere ni kuonania antu batena chome ukone na kwa antu batena mbesa sio spend. So leo kwa that when on spending here 1.8 billion, it means economy emeru ni 2 bilioni imwe na antu bagete abena 1.8 billion economy to get very vibrant. So kinyo tambaene wetirima antu arume baikunda tudumba baik baketi enjoy au na antubo na kinyoba kona kantu bakorukuria bahanite. So igoto kwa mbese isi economy neto meru sasa nyekuwa for example kuna manto a training anto bai muntoro wa human resource asia provera training ato trainwa embu no ga kwa ile asia provera training yawe utomba kwa kwa training yana level or not non together na conflict na yawi akidideka yatete through county anga human resource committee. So theory bibi onde ibyo to aeta to wa atonjero bya uritie kamete to ya njumbunge ya assembly emeru nebweri nabo ubeta baba uria kiuria kie ne atagwa kari ne onto report ye andeta andikira uni bibutane nkanirite kangerantu ibarie kam tutenda tudidira tuita lynch mob justice kantu ba ma usaindi buretwe report institutions ila si set out by the constitution onto appearance before county assembly keki antu ba PM before county assembly na senate then report ya mwisho kadidata ikauma. That's exactly what you are.
Atongeria mwanya bara bakombeta kwethera bakigwatana na rentore ne bombeta kwethera bakimugwata mbaru uga gakane kagita ka MCS ba county Emeru kwethera bakigwatanira gutetera Emeru kumania namba chiri kwerekana ne chombeta kwethera igetumika butho kuchia weti na mbere
Mumembo Park it already it has already been tabled na niene kaniro ki committee yetu ya PEC na ki committee huo kwa yotra chukuna mono manto ya kupigwa ja ekotosha manto ya kuige manto ya nyino na tukaromba assembly jojo tumbe kuandika report yu nikienda yumba kuona kada manyinyo ya bati kugura Meru county kada ya bati kugura assembly je baba bonde pale aje ojo heshimiwa baba be na right na be no uwezo they have to bite kada hii concerned no ane
Geomba County Assembly wakidebate wasiweke partisan interest wakidebate hiyo Auditors General report ile Senator address leo because vile tutakuwa na shida kama watakuwa na partisan interest hawatajibu ile swali zimefanywa ya auditor.
Unamaanisha nini mheshimiwa?
Partisan